Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a lipstick that feels as luxurious as it looks, that promises long-lasting wear without compromising on comfort? Well, today we're going to find out if the Dior Rouge Couture Velvet Lipstick in 999 Velvet, a universally flattering red, can truly live up to that promise. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what makes this lipstick so special. The Dior Rouge Couture Velvet Lipstick in 999 Velvet is more than just a bold, eye-catching color. This lipstick is a statement. With its rich red hue, it promises to flatter every skin tone, while the velvet finish adds a sophisticated touch that's both modern and timeless. This isn't just any regular lipstick. It's a luxury product with long-lasting power, and it's even refillable, which is a nice eco-friendly bonus. When it comes to formulation, Dior truly delivers. This lipstick is enriched with floral lip care ingredients, designed to nourish your lips while providing intense color. Unlike some lipsticks that can dry out your lips, Dior has ensured that this one keeps your lips feeling soft and hydrated, even after hours of wear. It's a long-wear formula, but with a light and comfortable feel. No cracking or flaking here, just smooth, flawless coverage. Now, how does it hold up in real-world use? I've been testing this lipstick for a few days, and I have to say, it definitely stands out. The application is smooth, and the formula glides on without tugging. The color payoff is amazing. One swipe and you get a rich, opaque finish. Plus, the lipstick has a lovely, subtle floral scent that doesn't overpower. In terms of wear, it doesn't disappoint. I wore it for a full day, and while I did need to touch it up after meals, the color stayed vibrant and didn't bleed or feather, even along the edges. The velvet finish holds up well throughout the day, providing a smooth, matte texture without feeling too dry. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the color is a showstopper. It's a true red that suits a wide range of skin tones. Whether you have fair, medium, or dark skin, this will likely look stunning. The longevity is impressive as well, especially considering the comfort factor. You can wear this all day without feeling like you need constant reapplication. Plus, the refillable packaging is both chic and environmentally friendly, which is a nice touch from Dior. On the downside, the price point is something to consider. This is definitely on the luxury side, and while you're paying for quality, it's still a significant investment. If you're not someone who's looking for a high-end lipstick, this might feel a little bit excessive for everyday wear. However, if you're a fan of Dior and luxury makeup, this could definitely be worth it. As for value for money, I'd say that if you're willing to splurge, this lipstick delivers. The color payoff, the comfortable feel, and the sleek packaging all justify the price tag. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are other great lipsticks on the market, though they may not come with the same luxurious experience or the refillable packaging. If you're eyeing other high-end options, you might want to compare this to lipsticks from brands like YSL or Chanel, which offer similarly rich colors and long-lasting formulas. However, Dior's emphasis on floral lip care gives this one a slight edge in terms of hydration, making it a great option for those with dry lips. Now, when it comes to packaging, this lipstick is beautifully designed. The sleek gold bullet feels luxurious to hold, and the refillable system is a fantastic way to reduce waste. It's clear that Dior has thought about both form and function here. The lipstick's compact design makes it easy to carry around, too. I haven't had any personal experience with Dior's customer support for this product, but the brand generally has a strong reputation for offering high-quality service. So I wouldn't expect any issues if you need help with your purchase. So, is Dior Rouge Couture Velvet Lipstick 999 Velvet worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a long-lasting, luxurious lipstick that feels just as good as it looks. It's perfect for special occasions or when you want to elevate your look with a classic red that won't budge. Now, if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any honest beauty reviews from Beautyistic. We're here to help you make informed beauty decisions. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.